Hi, in this video tutorial we will learn how to edit our Facebook account. Let's go to Facebook. Then let's go to the profile. Here we click on the Edit Profile button. Once you have entered here, you can change absolutely everything. Let's say you can select a cover photo. Let's select a photo and we will have such a cover. Also, you can change your biography, place of work, education, place of residence, your hobbies. Let's choose basketball as a hobby. Save. Like this. Also, we have the featured and links section. Thus, you can change the information about yourself in the profile the way you want. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and see you soon.